Sige, game.
Meanwhile, today's topic, we're going to discuss about curvilinear motion in rectangular components. The goals of the study for today are be able to describe motion's velocity, acceleration, and displacement if the particle's movement path is given, and be able to describe the motion of particles in 2D motion and 3D motion, curvilinear motion, and different coordinate system that are used to analyze this motion. So what is curvilinear motion? A particle moving along a curved path is curvilinear motion. Vectors are used to describe the motion. A particle moves along a curve defined by the path function s. The position of the particle at any instant is designated by the vector r is equal to r times t. Both the magnitude and direction of r may vary with time. If the particle moves its distance delta s along the curve during time interval delta t, the displacement is determined by vector subtraction delta r is equal to r prime minus r.
A ball was thrown at a garbage disposal with a ring on top of it. The initial velocity at the ball is 15 meters per second and it was thrown with an angle at 42 degrees. Find the time, maximum height, and the range. So let's solve. Using the formula of velocity final is equals to velocity initial plus gravity times time. Vyf is equals to Vy initial plus gravity times time. Finding time at point B, since we know that the final velocity is equals to 0, we just substitute the given values. 0 is equals to V sine theta or 42 degrees plus gravity times time. Negative velocity times sine 42 degrees is equals to gravity equals t. Time is always positive. Then we derive the formula. Since we derive the formula, time is equals to 15 sine 42 degrees over 9.81, which is the gravity. We will get the value of time, which is equals to 1.27. The time it took for the ball to go to point B, the projectile symmetrical is in the time it takes for the ball to go to point A to B is the same time for the bottle to go to point B to C. Since T subscript A to T subscript B is equals to V sine theta over gravity. T subscript A to T subscript C is equals to 2V sine theta over G. Since we will get the value of T subscript C as 2.05 seconds.
One eternity later.
Up in time, and it is gone!
Kimi ni 夢中なことにわけない